Hi, what's up guys? Today we are going to review the awesome wireless earphone BasX Blades. These are the premium earphones with the half of the price available at Amazon. So let's get started. We bought these earphones from Amazon at 999 rupees with the 6 months of warranty. The box packing looks like this. They claim that these earphones gives the 5 hours of playtime at 70% of volume, and at 100% we get the 4 hours of playtime. On the left we get the BasX logo on this packaging. On the back it looks the same. On the other side we get the complete delimited address. These are the distributors of these earphones. So the rate is there is 299 rupees, but we got it at 999. On the other side of the box we get all the info about the earphones, but I will tell you the details in the upcoming video. So let's unbox these earphones. After unboxing you will see that there is a nice earphone pouch we got along with this, and there is a information booklet is also available. See this is the information booklet for the BasX earphones. The number for this earphone is that this is the model number ZW113. So now we will unchain this pouch and see what we got in this pouch. This pouch looks premium feel. It's not low quality, it's very good. After opening you will see that we got the two earbuds pack, one clip for attaching these earphones wire on your collar or anything, and that one short charging cable is also there. See this, the quality is okay for these earbuds are looks good. This clip is also very good. It's not looks like a cheap quality, it's good. And here are our premium earbuds. See these are the earphones and they are looking very good. These are the aluminum build quality. This having the 10 mm drivers, HD sound is there, and it's comes with the Bluetooth 4.2 EDR technology. The wires are tangle free. They are looking. This is the inline controller for your music and your calls. On this controller we get the LED indicators on the left, volume plus and the next track button, power button, and the volume minus and previous track button. This is the charging port for these wireless earphones. This comes with the USB port. They given the warning that don't use the fast charger to charge these earphones, use the only normal charger. And this is the tag for this BasX ZW113 model. These earphones are looking very premium. They having the wing shaped earbuds which are fitting in your ears very comfortably. They having the magnetic strap on the back so that they will not fall easily. Now we will switch on our earphones. After the switching on, you will see there is a red and the blue light is flashing until you connect them to your Bluetooth devices. Now I will switch on my Bluetooth in 1+1 device. After the switching we have to search for the Bluetooth devices. Here I have already connected, so I will connect them in the previously connected devices. After the connecting you will see that there is only blue light is flashing, so your device is now successfully connected. You can control your device on from your mobile also. Here you also get the battery percentage for your Bluetooth device. See this how they are looking in our ears. They are looking very good and fitting very comfortably and looks very good. Now I will play the music and see what is the reaction of my cousin. It's very surprising. He'll like this earbuds very much. You can also control the volume and skip the tracks using this controller, inline controller. Yes, we fully tested these earbuds, and they are decent quality and having the best battery life. These are the richer bass and the mid sound with the latest Bluetooth technology 4.2 with EDR. So they are very good premium. We definitely recommended to buy this. So like this video, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and please